It's tempting to think that all gasoline is created equal, but that couldn't be further from the truth. Inexpensive fuel can be so deficient in necessary cleaning agents that it essentially poisons your engine over time. Auto repair shops deal with the fallout every day. Blocked fuel lines, failing O2 sensors, sluggish performance, and engines that struggle just to maintain a steady idle. The surprising truth is this deterioration often starts with one simple choice: cheap gasoline that lacks sufficient detergent additives. The truly alarming part is that most drivers are unaware they are regularly using one of these dangerous brands. That seemingly good price at the pump could be signing a long-term death warrant for your engine. Keep watching, as I'm about to reveal 10 gasoline brands mechanics say you should avoid and 4 trusted names that actually safeguard your vehicle for the road ahead.
Number 1 is British Petroleum, BP. BP is globally recognized, yet it consistently misses the mark that matters most: top-tier certified status. This certification is vital because it guarantees a higher concentration of detergents, which are crucial for preventing harmful carbon deposits on your engine's internal components. Without these robust cleaning agents, your injectors and valves accumulate residue, leading to reduced efficiency, poor mileage, and eventual engine misfires. Mechanics frequently see that vehicles consistently running on BP fuel develop rough starting and poor idling much sooner than those using cleaner alternatives. BP meets the legal minimum for fuel quality, but aiming for the minimum is a poor strategy for the long-term health of your vehicle. You might save pocket change now, but the future repair bills will be far higher. It's frustrating because BP once had a reputation for quality. Many veteran drivers still believe BP is superior, but tests show competitor brands like Shell or Mobil produce significantly less carbon buildup. Mechanics particularly caution drivers who do frequent, short city drives where the engine rarely reaches optimal temperature. Low detergent fuel like BP exacerbates deposit formation.
2. Circle K. Circle K is synonymous with convenience, found on nearly every major corner, but mechanics often classify it as a last resort fuel stop. The core problem is wildly inconsistent quality. Circle K sources fuel from various regional distributors, and the level of necessary detergent additives fluctuates dramatically. You simply cannot be sure of the fuel quality you're receiving. Drivers who frequent Circle K often report a noticeable decrease in throttle response, rough gear changes, and deteriorating fuel economy after several months of use. Repair technicians frequently link these symptoms back to carbon buildup caused by inadequate detergent levels in the fuel. For newer, sophisticated engines, especially turbocharged or direct injection models, using Circle K fuel can lead to significant cumulative wear and tear.
3. Speedway. Speedway has a vast footprint, and its attractive prices and rewards programs draw many drivers. However, automotive experts strongly advise against making Speedway your consistent fueling choice. Like Circle K, Speedway lacks top-tier certification, meaning its fuel may not have the crucial cleaning package required for modern engine maintenance. Cars routinely fueled at Speedway often exhibit premature signs of injector clogging, pinging sounds during acceleration, and reduced MPG. While older engines may be more forgiving, newer engines with tighter tolerances and advanced sensors are highly susceptible to damage. Mechanics often summarize it this way: Speedway fuel won't cause immediate damage, but it accelerates the wear process with every fill-up.
4. Amoco. Amoco was once a respected name in premium gasoline before its merger with BP. Since the acquisition, its fuel quality has become virtually indistinguishable from BP's. Most Amoco locations are not top-tier certified, indicating a lack of the essential additives needed to prevent deposit accumulation. Mechanics regularly point to Amoco fuel when diagnosing issues like clogged injectors and dirty intake valves, particularly in vehicles that depend on precise air-fuel mixtures. Over time, this carbon accumulation can activate the check engine light, cause the car to stall, and increase harmful emissions. The Amoco name might evoke a sense of tradition, but its current fuel quality is insufficient for protecting today's advanced powertrains.
5. Love's travel stops. Love's is an essential stop for cross-country commercial haulers, but its focus is primarily on diesel. The gasoline quality often suffers as a result. Automotive technicians servicing passenger vehicles often advise against using Love's regularly, especially for newer hybrids or daily drivers. While the fuel meets baseline legal specifications, it doesn't offer the high-level detergent protection of top-tier brands, leaving the engine more susceptible to carbon fouling and inefficient combustion. If you are on a long journey and have no other choice, a single tank is unlikely to cause harm, but it should not become a regular habit.
6. Murphy USA. Murphy USA stations, commonly located near Walmart, are known for aggressive budget pricing. However, a lower price often means lower quality. Murphy's fuel is not top-tier certified, and many mechanics consider it to be among the worst offenders. The low price is partly achieved by minimizing the use of expensive detergent additives. Mechanics often say Murphy USA gas is good for your wallet, but bad for your engine. For drivers with old cars or those who only take short trips, this might not be a major concern. However, repeated use in any modern vehicle can lead to significant drivability issues, degraded emissions performance, and higher long-term maintenance costs.
7. Pilot or Flying J. Pilot and Flying J are extremely popular among travelers and professional drivers, but their primary focus on the trucking industry means their gasoline offerings are secondary. Neither brand holds top-tier certification, and mechanics frequently observe that passenger vehicles consistently fueled at these locations often exhibit rough idle and reduced responsiveness. Extended use can result in excessively dirty combustion chambers and fouled spark plugs. The fuel is not typically contaminated, but it is engineered for lowest cost rather than maximum engine cleanliness. Occasional use during a road trip is fine, but for weekly fill-ups, your car will bear the cost.
8. 7-Eleven. The convenience of 7-Eleven is unmatched, but their fuel quality is not. Most 7-Eleven locations are not part of the top-tier program and often source their fuel from the cheapest local supplier available. Mechanics report that 7-Eleven gas frequently causes deposit buildup in the injectors and on intake valves due to dangerously low detergent levels. After several months of regular use, finding a noticeable layer of carbon residue in engines fueled here is common. It's acceptable for an emergency top-off, but it is best avoided for regular fueling. 9. Sam's Club. Sam's Club attracts customers with one thing: savings. Their gasoline is often 10 to 15 cents cheaper per gallon, but those savings can mask a higher future expense. Sam's Club gasoline is not top-tier certified, and mechanics have long noticed that drivers who exclusively use membership club fuel tend to experience more severe engine deposit issues. The negative effects might not be immediate, but they become evident over tens of thousands of miles: reduced power, persistent knocking, and poor fuel efficiency. If you're planning on keeping your vehicle for many years, this fuel will silently undermine its performance.
10. Independent or unbranded stations. These anonymous non-brand stations use the lowest price sign to lure customers in. Mechanics call these mystery fuel spots for a reason. Many of these operators purchase leftover or non-specification batches from bulk suppliers and include minimal to zero detergents. Even worse, some neglect tank maintenance, resulting in water or rust particles contaminating the gasoline. Mechanics frequently see vehicles from small independent stations with clogged fuel filters, engine misfires, and water in the fuel system. These stations might be acceptable for lawn equipment, but for a modern vehicle, every fill-up is a significant gamble.
4 brands mechanics trust to protect your engine. 1. Shell. Shell consistently ranks as one of the world's highest quality gasoline brands and holds top-tier certification. This means every gallon contains a powerful concentration of cleaning additives designed to maintain and restore engine performance. Mechanics universally praise Shell fuel, particularly its premium V-Power Nitro Plus blend, which actively helps remove carbon deposits left behind by inferior fuels. Drivers who stick with Shell typically report smoother engine operation and less carbon buildup during routine maintenance. Even their regular grade fuel surpasses the detergent standards of most competitors.
2. Exxon or Mobil. Often seen as interchangeable high-quality choices, both Exxon and Mobil are known for reliable, clean gasoline. Both are top-tier certified, ensuring they use a robust package of detergents that actively prevent deposit formation in modern engines. Mechanics regularly recommend these brands because of how consistently clean engines remain when exclusively fueled with their products. Their Synergy fuel formulation is specifically designed to clean intake valves and injectors with every tank. Many drivers who switch notice improved responsiveness and slightly better mileage after just a few tanks.
3. Costco. Costco may not feel like a premium fuel stop, but its Kirkland signature gasoline has earned deep respect from mechanics. It is fully top-tier certified, and the company enforces rigorous quality control across all locations. Costco delivers premium-level detergent protection at warehouse club pricing. Mechanics often note that engines fueled at Costco are internally just as clean as those using Shell or Mobil. Furthermore, Costco's high sales volume ensures their underground tanks are constantly refreshed, meaning you're almost always pumping fresh, clean fuel.
4. Valero. Valero is a less hyped brand that mechanics know well. It is another top-tier certified option that provides solid detergent protection without the high cost. Valero fuel effectively keeps injectors and combustion chambers clean, reducing the need for costly fuel system cleaning down the road. Drivers who rely on Valero often report stable mileage and dependable performance even in older vehicles. Mechanics often describe Valero as the smart, high-value choice for clean, consistent, and affordable fuel. So the next time you approach the gas pump, ask yourself, am I truly saving money, or am I silently damaging my engine? Mechanics agree that cheap, low-detergent fuel is an engine killer. The damage is slow, but once it begins, it is both difficult and expensive to fix. If you found this information valuable, please hit that like button, share it with someone who needs to see this advice, and let me know in the comments which gas station is your trusted choice and why. Subscribe for more essential tips to keep your car performing at its best for years to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.